What's up, YouTube? Back with another video. Today's video I will be putting on my old catch can. I done had this thing for it had to be about for a year. Um, so I tired of it sitting in my trunk, so I might have go ahead and install it today. Go ahead and take these pins out. Yes, I gotta repaint these things, man. I guess the cheap ones, they done got rusty on me. But yeah, I'm a redo a lot of stuff. But today I'm gonna just focus on that old catch can. My hood does stay up, but these might be going out. The shocks on them, they might be going out slowly. So y'all already know, owning the Crown Vic, you gotta get you a prop. So I do not want this heavy thing to fall on my head. There we go. Bed post. Yo, I'm telling you, this worked the best. But yeah, let me go ahead and get to it. I can't ever remember how much it was, but you know, probably like $25, $30. You know what I'm saying? Got the pink shit. Match with the colors. Talk all the shit you want, I don't care. Comes with this. That I heard, don't use this. And it came with some screw-ons. Then it's a Teflon tape. And a bracket. It came with some little cheap hoses that I was going to install it one time before, but I threw away the cheap hoses and I went to AutoZone and bought some thicker ones. I'm going to show you. Yeah, I got the thick 3/8 hose to use instead, but I'm gonna have to cut it in half, and I still should have enough length. Of course, in the future, I'll repaint this. Now I'm about to cut this in half. Guess I'm gonna install it right here. I really didn't want to install it right there, but guess I don't got no choice. It's too thick to go right there, and was gonna do it back there, but that ain't gonna work neither. Now I'm about to extra secure it. Okay, I got it mounted. I mean, it's a little shaky, it ain't gonna fall off. But I'ma secure it a little. right, man, it's been several days later, but we back. So I got, plus it's a 1/2 inch too. So we're about to, in the end part, you put in the crankcase. Oh, let me take this off. With the end part, you put in the crankcase right here. It's a tight fit. Now I just gotta tighten this. Now for the outside, you put this one in the back of your plenum. Yeah, now we're about to start it up and see what's up. By the way, I only had this zip tie up here because it wasn't fully installed. Now I want to take it down, but I don't need it. It's secure pretty good. Sir, everything seems good. We're gonna test drive it, see. Okay, I test drove it a little bit. Everything good. I'm not gonna lie, I did do some adjustments. I cut this one down a lot more to fit better because it was so high it was bothering me. But yeah, everything seems so cool. I'm about to do some more riding. Gotta go to the grocery store. But yeah, that's it for this video, man. I got some more stuff coming. Y'all already know. I'm gonna show y'all some